iPhone Fold, launch, pricing, and what to expect from Apple's Foldable. And today we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated Apple products of the decade because after years of rumors, leaks, patents, and secrecy, extremely credible reports from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Ming-Chi Kuo, Instant Digital, and multiple supply chain sources confirm that Apple is finally preparing to launch its first ever foldable device next year, and it will be called the iPhone Fold, a product that is expected to redefine the foldable smartphone landscape, just like the original iPhone redefined the smartphone industry in 2007. And in this full breakdown, we're covering every major detail, from launch timeline, pricing expectations, detailed display specifications, crease-free hinge technology, chassis materials, camera configurations, new authentication methods, modem upgrades, battery tech, color options, and Apple's vision for creating the most durable and premium foldable on the market. So, stay with us till the end, as we also give our recommendation on whether you should wait for the iPhone Fold or choose an alternative device available today. According to all major leaks, the iPhone Fold is expected to launch in 2026, with prototypes already deep in testing, and suppliers ramping up production lines for hinge components, display panels, and titanium frames, marking Apple's official entry into foldable space dominated by Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. And insiders say Apple has been extremely careful, spending years studying every failure point of existing foldables, from screen creases to hinge durability to frame bending, and only now does Apple believe the technology is mature enough to deliver a product that meets its long-term quality and reliability standards. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that the iPhone Fold follows a book-style folding mechanism, similar to Samsung's Z Fold lineup, instead of the clamshell-style Z Flip. And this makes perfect sense because Apple wants a device that functions as both an iPhone and a compact iPad, combining smartphone convenience with tablet productivity. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reveals precise thickness details, stating the iPhone Fold will measure 9 to 9.5 millimeters when folded, and around 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters when unfolded, making it significantly thinner than most competitors. And new update leaks from Instant Digital confirm the thickness will be at least 4.8 millimeters unfolded, showing how aggressively Apple has focused on minimizing bulk through advanced materials engineering. Now, let's talk display sizes, because multiple sources agree the foldable iPhone will include two displays, a 5.5-inch outer display for folded use, letting you handle quick tasks, notifications, calls, messages, and apps like a regular iPhone, while the inside unfolds into a larger 7.8-inch iPad-style screen for watching movies, productivity work, multitasking, reading, and gaming. And two separate industry leaks confirm these numbers, with one boasting that the inner display will feature a 2713 by 1920 resolution, while the outer display will use 2088 by 1422, meaning both panels will be extremely sharp and vibrant. But the biggest excitement surrounds Apple's new crease-free technology, which has solved the biggest complaint users have with Samsung and other foldable phones: visible creases. Ming-Chi Kuo claims that Apple uses a specially engineered metal backplate under the display that distributes bending stress evenly, resulting in a nearly invisible crease. And this design is supported by a hinge mechanism made with liquid metal, a unique material created through a die casting process that makes the hinge more durable, smoother, and better at resisting wear over thousands of folds. China-based UDN reports that Apple had completely solved the crease issue, and insiders claim this will be the world's first foldable smartphone that appears crease-free in real-world usage, setting a new industry standard. Moving to the chassis and hinge design, the iPhone Fold is rumored to use a titanium chassis, just like the latest iPhone Pro models, but reinforced with either stainless steel or aluminum depending on the final configuration, with Kuo and Jeff Pu offering slightly different takes. One claims Apple is using a titanium stainless steel combination, while another says titanium aluminum. But what we do know for sure is that Apple is heavily focused on strength-to-weight optimization to prevent bending issues, similar to what the company achieved with the ultra-thin iPhone Air. Now, let's get into the cameras, because the iPhone Fold won't compromise on photography. According to multiple sources, including Mark Gurman and Digital Chat Station, the device will feature 4 cameras, 2 48-megapixel rear lenses for flagship-level photography, a punch-hole front camera for the outer display, and an under-display inner camera, USC, for for the unfolded screen, allowing for a full uninterrupted tablet-like viewing experience without notches or holes. This combination gives users flexibility in both modes, folded and unfolded, making the device extremely versatile for selfies, FaceTime, content creation, and photography. In terms of authentication, Ming-Chi Kuo reports something surprising. The iPhone Fold will not use Face ID. Instead, it will feature Touch ID integrated into the side button, just like the iPad Air and iPad Mini, mainly because removing the Face ID sensor allows Apple to save precious internal space needed for hinge components, display support, and battery cells. Speaking of connectivity, Apple is expected to use its next-generation C2 modem, which is the company's second in-house modem after the C1, and C1X used in the iPhone 16e and iPhone Air, and Gurman confirms that the iPhone Fold will not include a physical SIM slot, meaning eSIM only will be mandatory, while the C2 modem will offer improved efficiency, faster speeds. And mmWave support in the U.S. battery life is another major focus, and reports from Korean insiders reveal that Apple is using high-density battery cells, the same strategy used in the Apple Watch Ultra and MacBook Pro, allowing more battery capacity in a slimmer space. Apple is also slimming down internal components like the display driver to create room for more battery, meaning we can expect longer battery endurance than competitors despite the large internal display. As for colors, Mark Gurman reveals Apple is currently testing black and white color options, though this may change as launch nears. Finally, let's talk pricing. Based on component costs and Apple's premium positioning, the iPhone Fold is expected to start between $1,799 and $2,199, putting it right in line with Samsung's Z Fold series, though Apple's crease-free tech and premium materials may push it slightly higher. Now, here's our recommendation. If you've been waiting for Apple to enter the foldable market, 2026 is a year, and the iPhone Fold appears to be the most refined foldable ever created with a book-style design, titanium body, crease-free display, advanced hinge, next-generation modem, and powerful camera system. But if you don't need a foldable or prefer traditional smartphones, waiting for the iPhone 18 Pro or iPhone 19 Pro may give you better value. However, for users who want the most futuristic, innovative, and premium iPhone experience Apple has ever made, the iPhone Fold will absolutely be worth the wait. Thanks for watching, and this is TechVerse, signing off.